After we get devices from a client, they get wrapped and tagged, who they're from and what day they came in, and the hard drive or whatever storage device comes out of the device.
And my job is to make sure all of our clients' assets are properly logged, data is wiped, and that we generate the most revenue for our clients.
I'm responsible for the data sanitization aspect of the asset resale team. The drives that come in, I make sure that the data is wiped for the clients so that they know that their data is not being sent out with the units that we sell on eBay.
We do that actually for free, all the data sanitization for our clients.
Even if you are vigilant, there's still some data that can be lingering if you use other lesser programs. Like somebody that finds that hard drive, another person that actually wipe it correctly, they can still use some of the programs and pull some information from it, and they can piece it together. There's a company that actually does that. They took a laptop that had been on a boat, it sank, it was underwater for like 4 months, and they were able to recover everything off of it. That's why the security is like a huge thing. It's like if you don't wipe it correctly or you just kind of format it through Windows, like that's not enough.
Yeah, so I have a bunch of cool toys in there. One being the drive crusher. Putting a hard drive in the crusher breaks it in half, breaks the disks, so that way you can't take the disk and read it and get the data off of it. Another one being the degausser, which is a giant magnet. I use a SSD crusher, which has a bunch of little spikes that breaks all the chips on the SSDs, along with the 2 drive machines that I have to erase and clone drives. When I run the drives through the machine, it has a digital certificate, basically showing that it was erased. It shows the serial, it shows how many passes, what type of eraser.
The whole time that the device is here and it has client information on it, it's in a secure state. Having a data breach, is obviously not a good thing for a client to have. So every step of the process, we try to make sure that that data is not going to get out of the building.